The gun attachment system I created can turn this simple gun into this, and even this. In fact, it can turn that very simple gun into 921,600 different combinations. Now let me put that number into perspective. If you had a button that would randomly pick an attachment for each slot, you would have a 1 in 849,346,560,000 chance to get the same gun twice in a row. Here are some things that are more likely to happen to you in your lifetime. 1 in 20 chance of getting accepted into Harvard. A 1 in 500 chance of being born with 11 fingers or toes. A 1 in 10,000 chance to correctly guess a 4-digit PIN code. A 1 in 54,000 chance to die from a bee sting. A 1 in 8 million chance of getting eaten by a shark. A 1 in 175 million chance of winning the jackpot lottery. A 1 in 183 million chance of getting struck by lightning while drowning. So, I could just sit here all day and try, and I'm not going to get the same gun combination. What? So you're probably sitting there and thinking, well, the system must have some sort of drawback. Like maybe it takes a long time to make a new attachment or new guns, and normally I'd agree with you in Unity. However, Unity released a new system a little while ago that is very lightweight yet insanely useful for systems like weapon attachment systems. That system's name is Scriptable Objects. Unity's description is simple and very easy to understand. A scriptable object is a data container that you can use to save a large amounts of data independent of classed instances. One of the main use cases for scriptable objects is to reduce your project's memory usage by avoiding copies of values. Now, here is what that actually means. It's a way to store lots of data really efficiently that allows me to add new entries as simple as 3 clicks on my mouse. For a more zoomed out look on this system, this is how it works. I have one weapon script that controls everything the player needs to do with the weapons and the shooting. It will check what weapon scriptable object it should be and will load all the correct gun stats and models. After that has been completed, it will then check what attachments are meant to be equipped and check each attachment's scriptable object and then change its stats and 3D models depending on what is equipped. If you're wondering, yes, this system took a long time to make and had many bugs, but it was all worth it because now the possibilities are endless. To prove that point, this is a Scar L shooting shotgun rounds. Enjoy. Now we've gotten the fun out of the way, let me show you something from the system which is in its very early stages. Version 1.0 in fact. A gun builder menu, which the playtesters have gotten to play with over the last few months. And if you're sitting there wondering, how can you test the game early, then Patreon. Anyway, the system you can see now is very much like the early DayZ standalone builds, where basically no artist has touched this part of the game at all, only programmers. As you can plainly see, I'm very much a programmer to my core. Alright, it's time for a big announcement. Operation Desolate Void is now no longer developed just by me alone. I'm pleased to announce our new graphics design artist, Liam, has joined the team, making us 2 people strong now. If any of you want to know why Liam is a part of the team, considering almost 3 years in development I haven't asked anyone else for help before, well, here is your answer. I sent him this. And he came back to me with this. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be said about that. On a different note, I just want to thank everyone that wrote a comment or left a like or anything on the last devlog. That feedback was great, and I never expected to see that, considering how bad some YouTube comment sections can be at times. A big special thank you to MilkDrinker01, who has helped me a great deal with all the latest HDRP stuff. You can check out his channel here. He's also making a realistic FPS in Unity, so if you like my stuff, you're probably gonna like his stuff too. The new Discord has been going great, and there have been lots of people out there sharing their work with others and getting feedback. If any of you would like to see the latest news on Operation Desolate Void or post your own game to get feedback, then please follow the link in the description to join in. Alright, that's it for me. You can click the right video for another devlog, or click the left video to watch a video from our new Clips channel.